Hi everyone, this is Dr. Apurva from Smile Expressions Dental Clinic. So today we will be discussing about smile designing. What is smile designing? It is a cosmetic procedure where a single or multiple dental procedures are put together to give you a natural, pleasing and a better looking smile. So when can you go for smile designing? You are a candidate for smile designing if you have malaligned teeth, if you have cracked or crooked teeth, if you have any chipped off surfaces, if you have yellowish discolorations in your teeth, if you have a missing teeth. You can also go for smile designing if you have too much of gum show when you're smiling. So what we can do is we can increase the clinical crown's length by trimming the gums so that you will get a better smile. We have procedures like composite restorations where we do shade matching of your teeth and put the restorative material so that you get a beautiful smile. We also have something called as veneers, in which we trim off a very thin layer above your teeth structure, above the enamel, and then give you a beautiful restoration which will enhance your smile. Okay, we also have laser surgeries and laser procedures which can enhance your smile by reshaping the gums as well. So if you have any kind of these problems, please contact us with the description given below at Smile Expressions Dental Clinic. Thank you.